How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Phil. Welcome to Furious Technology. This is the iPad mini 6th generation in pink. That's right, we're going to do a full unboxing of this. You're going to be able to see the color up close and personal. Let's have a look at the box first. So we do have the picture on the front of it. It is the screen front right here. So we just got some color for the actual screen. Nothing to see really much. We got the iPad mini writing on the side of it. It is in a nice kind of metallic pink color as well as the Apple logo at the top. It is in that nice little pink color right here. We do have the tab right at the top, which we pull down to take a closer look at it. And we look on the back. This is a 64 gigabyte iPad mini 6th generation Wi-Fi and cellular. The reason why I'm pointing that out is because the cellular version will have a few more lines for the antenna on the back, which a Wi-Fi one won't, but other than that, they're identical. All right, let's go ahead and put the iPad down, and we'll just go ahead and peel this tab right here. We do have the plastic stuff all on there. I know the iPhone 13s have gone away from the plastic, but the iPad minis and the regular iPads still have this plastic on here, so maybe in the next generation, they will not have that to help with the environmental friendliness. But until then, let's go ahead and see the wow factor. This is the typical iPad wow factor. The box opens up nice and slowly here, and wow, there we go. All right, so there's nothing really too crazy to see because it is all covered up in this wrapper. We're actually going to put it aside for a second. We're going to make you wait for a second here as we look at what's inside of the box itself. So we do have the pamphlets as well as your stickers and all that good stuff. Let's pull that out right here so we can see. So iPad mini, we're never going to read that. Never going to read that. Never going to read that. That either. We do have the SIM ejector tool right here, which is really cool. So we can use this to take the little SIM card tray out and then pop in our SIM card. And we do have Apple stickers somewhere here. Did I miss them? Where are my Apple stickers? Where are my Apple stickers? There they are. They're hidden in here. So we got the white Apple stickers, not pink or any other different color, just your standard white Apple stickers. Alrighty, we'll put that stuff aside. And then we do also have the contents inside of the box. So we do have a little AC adapter, which fits the USB-C, no longer Lightning for the iPad mini or any of the newer iPads now. They've all switched to USB-C. If only they could switch iPhones to USB-C, that would be super handy. So we do have the USB-C to USB-C cable right here as well. So there we go, USB-C to USB-C. So we know we can use those. We can plug that into our adapter, and then the adapter will charge it quite fast, which is good and handy. All right, let's put all this stuff aside. We don't care about that stuff now. We want to see the iPad itself, and here it is. And this has got some nice recycled paper that they've used. So they've gotten rid of the plastic on this. All right, this is what you've been waiting for. Wow, okay. All right, interesting. My first thoughts are it's a very, very light pink. And if somebody handed this to me and asked me what color it is, I'm slightly colorblind as well. But I would say that this is way closer to a silver than a pink. I mean, it depends on what angle you look at it at. It is definitely a light pink, but it's very silverish. It's not as defined of a pink, but some people might like that because it's not as like vibrant and out there. It's just like a subtle pink color to it, but it's very classy looking. Just look at that Apple logo just shine right there. Very, very nice. We do have our camera up at the top right there. And then the bands that I was talking about for the antennas, you can see how they kind of just align right here and they align right here as well. And this one does have Apple Pencil support, the Apple Pencil 2. So it will magnetically clip onto the side right here. So then there is no buttons on either side. So all your buttons are on the top right here. So we can see our volume up and down button and then our lock on and off, as well as a fingerprint reader button right here as well. And we do have two speakers on the top as well and speakers on the bottom right there, and that is your USB-C charging port to charge up your iPad mini. But other than that, it's a fantastic looking color. I think it's going to be a hard decision because there's so many good colors for the new iPad mini. But you guys, let me know in the comment section what you think of the brand new pink color of the 6th generation iPad mini. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.